Debbie. I think this is a really valuable oil that everybody should make if they can. So you would just pick the petals off and you can put them into a basket and just let them dry naturally. It's only going to take a few days for them to dry beautifully. And this is what ends up happening. Now this calendula is magical. It is such a healing flower. These petals can do wonders for skin conditions. Also, you can make it into a tea. Wonderful for when you're not feeling well. I'm going to show you today just how easy it is to make. Now, you just take your dried petals and put them into a jar and fill your jar up. If you buy dried calendula in the store, it's very expensive. It's much better if you can grow it. Just pick a back corner of your lot or something and throw them in. So we've got our dried petals here in just a regular little jar, and you're just gonna add a nice olive oil to it. Just keep on adding your olive oil until you get about an inch above the petals. And then you just cover it, and then you put it on a sunny windowsill, because the sun is what is going to make the petals penetrate into the rest of your oil. And it really is wonderful for so many conditions. So leave it for at least a month. I have left mine for up to a year. And I have to say, it's pretty powerful then. And you can make it into a lot of different things. This is what a jar looks like after about 2 months now. This was one of my first batches. As you can see, the color has changed slightly. And that is the magic of the sunshine kind of bleaching it out and putting it into the oil. I'm going to share some more benefits of this with you. Well, I've dragged my poor video person out into the rain to show you my final patch of calendula. Some people call it calendula. I call it calendula. Now these have been neglected all year. This is an area of my yard I don't do anything to. These have had not 1 ounce of love, except for I have cut back some of the blooms. Some of them are ready to go to seed. I can collect this and make more calendula, so it doesn't cost you 1 ounce after you've bought the initial first calendula. These little flowers here will do wonders for your skin, any kind of skin condition. Once you make it into an oil, you can actually use it for things like burns, mosquito bites, bug bites. I actually stepped on a hornet and I put calendula on it right away. It was a bad sting, and it was like 2-3 minutes, and that sting was non-existent. It's amazing. Like, it truly is. Muscle aches and pains even. I had a really stiff calf the other day from my back issue, and I put some of this on there, massaged it in, and it was wonderful. It really was. Bruises, for cuts. I got a really bad burn once. I put it on there, and I couldn't believe it. It was amazing. And plus it takes that pain away, which is really hard to do for some conditions. I saw somebody with road rash the other day. Really bad road rash, like really bad. And they put this on there. It really was amazing. My son had peeling hands, really, like, I hope that he'll give me the picture. And he said he only had to apply it once. So grow calendula, make it into an oil. It's going to be wonderful. Try it, you'll love it. Calendula is like liquid gold. It really is. So just use what you need with a spoon. And if you need more, you can use a little strainer or some cheesecloth. But keep the petals in the oil as long as you possibly can. And then when you're all finished with the petals, take them out, put them in a baggie, and save them for a compress, because it's very beneficial that way as well. Have you used Calendula before? We'd love to hear your experiences with it, so please leave us a comment. Thanks so much for watching.